The plant pictured here is Asimina triloba, or the pawpaw. Pawpaws can either grow as single trunk trees or as suckering colonies. So on the picture on the left you see a single trunk tree, and in this case it's going to be pyramidal in shape. On the right picture you can see a whole colony of pawpaw, some tall individuals, but there along the forest floor there's a lot of pawpaw suckers coming up, so they'll form a colony. Pawpaw plants typically get 15 to 20 feet tall and about as wide. Here you can see the bark. It's typically a light gray to brown smooth bark with raised lenticels, and with age it becomes more deeply fissured and a little bit scaly. Here you can see the buds of pawpaw and the new stems. So the younger stems have more of a cinnamon brown color, and the buds are also that color and pubescent. The terminal bud of Asimina triloba is what we call naked. There's no bud scales surrounding it, so it almost looks like a small folded up brown leaf. Pawpaw has alternate leaf arrangement, and the leaves are quite large. They're going to be 6 to 12 inches long, so very long leaves on very short petioles, and they're going to have entire margins and an obovate leaf shape with a cuminate apex, so the shape of them is quite distinct. Also, if you're looking at a pawpaw tree, it almost looks like it has pinnately compound leaves, just the way that they're arranged, but in fact they're just simple leaves, which you would know if you look closely at the base of the petiole. You'd find a bud there. So here's another example of pawpaw leaves. Again, notice that obovate leaf shape, which is quite distinct, and the acuminate leaf apex. Pawpaw leaves tend to droop down from the twig. And here again you see the drooping pawpaw leaves. They're usually medium to dark green in color, and if you look at the picture on the right you'll notice that the pawpaw leaves also have a glaucous pale leaf underside. Pawpaw has quite an attractive fall foliage color, this golden yellow as you see in this picture. And here's what the flowers look like when they're first forming. So they're green when they very first begin to form in the spring, and then once they're fully formed they look like this. So they're sort of a purplish brown color, and they are fetid. They're pollinated by flies and things like that, so they have a sort of a foul odor to them. They are also monoecious, so you're going to have separate male and female flowers, but they're both going to be similar in appearance. And then here's the fruits, which form in fall. They're a 2 to 5 inch long oblong berry. They're going to be green in color, and they have a glaucous coating on the fruit. And if you cut it open when it's ripe, this is what it looks like. It has a soft yellow flesh inside and large brown flat seeds. So with that, we conclude our discussion of Asimina triloba, the pawpaw.